My name is Alex, and I work as an intern in a big office. Did you know that my boss hid a secret in his desk? It feels like a mystery I have to solve. I started my day at 9. The CEO was very busy, but my boss, Mr. Lee, seemed calm. He handed me a folder. Inside, there was a small envelope with a note, "Open at lunch." I felt curious. I ate my sandwich and opened it. Inside was a photo of Mr. Lee with a woman. I thought it was a family picture. I kept it hidden in my pocket. That night, I told my friend Sam. He laughed and said, "You are so silly." But I felt something was wrong. I decided to watch him more closely tomorrow. The next day, I watched Mr. Lee in the meeting room. He talked about a new project. I saw him pull a small key from his pocket. He put it on the desk and said, "This will open the file." I remembered the photo. I thought maybe the key opened a safe. I asked my friend Sam, "Do you think he hides something?" Sam shrugged. I stayed late after work. I went to the back office. I saw a small safe behind the printer. I used the key. Inside was a stack of contracts. They were not for the company. They were for a rival firm. I felt shocked. I realized Mr. Lee was planning to betray the company. I felt sad and angry. I decided to tell someone. I went to the CEO's office. I said, "Sir, I found something." "You are wrong." The CEO looked surprised. He said, "Alex, I need your help. I know about the plans. We will stop him." I felt relief. We called the security guard. They found Mr. Lee with the contracts. He was fired immediately. The CEO thanked me. He said I was brave. I felt proud. I learned that even a small person can make a big difference. I also learned that honesty is important. I will always keep my promises. Now I know that secrets can change people. I also know that a good person can become bad if they make wrong choices. But I learned that honesty and courage can fix things. If you see something wrong, speak up. It can help many people. Remember, even a child can be brave and make a difference. Keep learning English and keep being honest and brave. Good luck!